Hey everybody, John Doan from Equinox Home Financing. Today I wanted to talk about another part of our discussion on buying rental properties to do short-term rentals on. One of the most important things that people don't really focus on, which I think is super important, is the staging of your property in order to make it as attractive as possible so that people will see your posting online and then they're gonna want to rent your property to stay in. Now, if you've all have been on the Airbnb website, there's different types of listings. I've seen listings where, you go in the bedroom, there's bedroom photos, someone took it with their cell phone, and like the bed's barely even made. Those are really bad. You do not want to display photos like that when trying to stage for Airbnb. Instead, you want to make your property look hip. You want to make it look modern, hip, the best that you can so that it's as attractive as possible and you can charge more money if you did it the right way. On top of that, not just staging as far as furniture goes, but amenities too. When you rent an Airbnb, let's say that you're by Disneyland and you have kids that you're bringing. You don't want to leave the house or Instacart for items that you need. You want the home to have as much stuff as possible. So we're talking about cookware, silverware, utensils, sugar, salt, pepper. You name it, you should have the cupboards full of things that your tenants could use so that they give you good reviews for making it so convenient for them. And again, it's all about the bottom dollar, the bottom line. People will pay more for those items there. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel below so you can find out more about home financing.